The portable air compressor is proudly made in the USA with global materials in Jackson, Tennessee. Portable, 6-gallon capacity maximizes portability and stored air for Craftsman Air Compressor. No maintenance, durable, oil-free pump of the 6-gallon air compressor is made for long life and no maintenance. Pressure, 150 max psi to ensure adequate cut-inch pressure for a variety of applications. Quick recovery time, 2.6 SEFM at 90 psi allows for quick compressor recovery time. The excellent Craftsman 6-gallon air compressor is part of the company's hard-to-miss refreshed and expanded lineup. We use it to inflate tires on ministry vans, tires on neighbors' bicycles, and as the power source for framing nailers. Here's how this reliable compressor works. The CMEC 6150 is simply a well-built, powerful, and portable compressor. Particularly notable is the carrying handle design and rubberized feet to protect its legs and the surfaces it sits on. The oil-free pump also makes this compressor virtually maintenance-free. The new Craftsman CMEX 6150 6-gallon air compressor offers a lot for the price: great performance, air power, portability with its handle design, rubber feet, and tough construction. It cycles quickly enough for 90 psi nailing applications. You may not have success running 2 active roofing nailers on this compressor or a sander, but that's not its intent. Instead, you get a decent amount of air and reasonably quick recovery time at an above-average value.